In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Oanda on MT5. By the end, you'll have MetaTrader 5 connected to your Oanda account and ready to trade. Before we do anything, there's one crucial requirement. You need a dedicated MT5 trading account created inside your Oanda hub. Your regular Oanda account that you use on the website or app is not enough. In your Oanda dashboard, go to My Accounts and add a new MT5 account. You can choose a live or a demo account, but make sure it's specifically an MT5 account. This is what generates the MT5 login details you'll use in MetaTrader. Next, download MetaTrader 5. You can get it from the Oanda website or from the official MetaTrader 5 site. In some regions, Oanda requires their own MT5 version, so if you're unsure, download it directly from Oanda to avoid compatibility issues. Once it's installed, don't open it just yet. We need your login info first. Head back to your Oanda hub and locate the details for your MT5 account. You're looking for three things: your login ID, which is your MT5 account number, the password associated with that MT5 account, and the exact server name. Server names look something like Oanda XX Live or Oanda XXX Demo. Copy the server name exactly as shown. If the server doesn't match what your account is on, Live versus Demo, your login will fail, even if your username and password are correct. Now open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. In the top menu, click File, then Log in to Trade Account. Enter your MT5 account number as the login, paste the password from your Oanda hub, and choose the matching server from the list. Click Login. If everything's correct, you'll see your balance appear, symbols load in the Market Watch pane, and charts begin to update. That's your confirmation that you're connected. If you don't see the Oanda server listed, there's a quick fix. Go to File, then open an account. In the search box, type Oanda and press Enter. Select the exact Oanda server that matches your account, click Next, and choose Connect with an existing account. Enter the same login and password, and you should connect right away. A few final tips to keep you out of trouble. Always double-check the server name before logging in, start on a demo account to practice and confirm everything works, and enable two-factor authentication in your Oanda settings if it's required or available for extra security. That's it. You're set up to use Oanda on MetaTrader 5.